The best way to become video editor in 2026 is not by blindly chasing every new AI trends. The real way is to learn core skill properly and build a strong foundation. In this video, I'll guide you how to become a smart video editor in 2026. I'll break this journey into 5 stages, and at the end of the video, I'll share how I got multiple clients without using any freelance platform like Upwork and Fiverr. So let's get started. Stage 1 is all about decision making. Here you need to decide whether you really want to enter this field or not. First, check the editing market and then see if there is any opportunity for you or not. And then ask yourself honestly, are you truly interested in editing videos, or you just want to see the edited videos? Once you mentally prepared, the next step is to choosing the right software. There are many editing software in the market like Premiere Pro, DaVinci, Final Cut Pro and many more. I personally use Premiere Pro and I would suggest you to go with Premiere Pro. If you want to know why, then you can check out this video where I explain which software is best and why. Remember, mobile editing is good for fun or casual editing. But if you want to build a career in video editing, you need to have a good PC or laptop. Once you decide everything, let's jump into the second stage, which is beginner stage. After choosing the software, start learning about the basic of interface, understand the UI of software, explore the tools and effects. Then follow a beginner tutorial where you can learn how to import a video, how to add it in timeline, how to add cuts, transitions and effects, and finally how to export the video. You can choose any YouTube tutorial that you think easy to understand, or you can check my video too. Try to do everything by yourself. Practice again and again. Once you understand the software and basic of editing, you can immediately start learning about shortcuts. You can find many videos on YouTube, and I have also created video on this topic. Once you learn about shortcut, they will save you more time and make you faster. These shortcuts will help you a lot in a long term. Then we can move into third stage, which is intermediate stage. This is the stage where you actually become a real editor. In this stage, you need to learn important editing skills. You can watch multiple tutorials on a specific topic. You can start learning about types of cut, audio editing, sound design, keyframe animation, color grading, exploring all effects, creating LUTs and preset. There are many things to learn in this stage. After learning this, explore some website where you can find copyright free music, free sound effect, free stock footage, and then you can also explore about the AI tools where you can generate AI audio, video and photos. You can search YouTube tutorial like how to edit like Nitish Rajput, how to edit like Dhruv Rathi, how to edit like Ali Abdal, how to edit like Mr. Beast, how to do viral shorts editing and many more. In most YouTube tutorial, you can find the asset for practice. I have also created many YouTube tutorial and share the practice file so you can learn with practice. At this stage, remember one thing, practice more than you watch tutorial. Now we can move to the next stage, which is portfolio stage. In this stage, you need two things, the work you want to show in portfolio, a website where you can showcase your portfolio. Before making portfolio, make sure your editing looks professional. Check the market trend and see what kind of editing is in demand. Then record your raw video yourself, or you can find any unedited video of the YouTube. You can edit podcast clip, talking head video like this, and the trending YouTube shorts and the Instagram reels. Second, you need to have a website where you can showcase your work. You don't need to buy a domain or hosting in the beginning. You can use any free platform like Behance, Canva, Framer or others. Again, you can watch YouTube tutorial on how to make portfolio for video editor. Now we reach the final stage, which is client hunting. Here, again you need to decide whether you want to do full-time job or you want to go with freelancing. If you ask me, I would suggest you to go with job for at least 2 years. Because if you get the job, you don't have to chase client again and again. You get the free subscription of all the editing software tools and the AI tools. You learn about brand identity and design-based editing. You can improve your communication skills, you learn about the sales skills, and sometimes you get the chance to work with the big creator. But freelancing is also exciting. You need to find all the clients by yourself. You need to learn everything by yourself. Now let me tell you how I got my first client. I used to scroll YouTube a lot and try to find any unedited videos or less edited videos or the YouTube channel with less subscribers. I approached them for free samples edit, and that's how I got my first client. And that client is still connected with me. Now I work on personal branding on YouTube and LinkedIn. My LinkedIn is well optimized and I got one of the highest paying clients through LinkedIn. So you also need to work on your personal brand side by side. At least you can make a LinkedIn profile and connect with the editors and creators. And here is the bonus tip. If you want to work with a specific creator or business, find their raw clips, edit it, and send it to them. Even if they don't reply, you can use it in your portfolio, so your hard work never goes to waste. Here is the quick revision what we learn in this video. In a stage 1, you need to decide whether you want to do video editing or not, choosing the right tool and software. In a stage 2, learning basic of edits, practice simple edits and mastering shortcuts. Stage 3 is master video editing with real assets and master the software. Stage 4 is creating professional edits and making portfolios. Stage 5 is about choosing job versus freelancing and tips how to hunt client. I hope with this roadmap you can start your video editing career in this year. You can connect with me in LinkedIn and Instagram if you have any question or doubt. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe and comment. This is Vicky signing off.